Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing power and connectivity so the phone won't die mid-fix. This prevents corruption. Next, backup contacts and SMS because clearing data may remove them. Make sure to note your device model and Android version. Technicians and settings menus differ. Once done, force stop the phone app from settings apps, then clear its cache. This removes transient files that often trigger crashes. Finally, reboot the phone to test whether the immediate error persists before deeper changes. If clearing cache didn't solve it, clear the phone app data to reset its stored settings, and then reset app preferences to restore disabled components. This re-enables essential services. Next, remove or disable any third-party dialer or caller ID apps you installed recently because they can conflict with Com.android. Phone. Make sure to check for Android system updates and carrier profile updates. Out-of-date firmware or APN settings can create persistent service conflicts that manifest as the process crashing. To finish, test in safe mode to see if third-party apps are the culprit. If the error disappears, selectively reinstall apps. If safe mode still shows the crash, back up everything and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it restores system files. If the problem persists after reset, collect logs using ADB or built-in diagnostics and contact your carrier or device maker. They can interpret logs and push a tailored firmware fix. One tip: try swapping the SIM to rule out carrier provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.